For this collection, I have worked on the concept of illusion, where different prints happen or animation happens. Hi, my name is Pratyush and I'm the founder of Pieux, and I'm really excited to present my collection this season at FDCI X Lakme Fashion Week. It's also very exciting to be a winner of our Elan Presents Circular Design Challenge in partnership with United Nations India. Since I won this competition, I have been recognized by many people as an eco-designer, which is really important for me for the brand's growth. So we have used our Elan GreenGold made out of post-consumer PET bottles. We have also used our Elan GreenGold FeelFresh fusion fabric to create our collection. So for this we have upcycled somewhere around 125 kgs of Cartex. So we have pleated them, we have then printed them to create illusion through that technique. And so for us it's more like a risk which we took, but we have been successful in creating it.